Working, but he made a way. Amen. Amen. So the first piece I want to share with you is called Falling in Love. I have fallen. I've fallen in love. Thought I knew love until I met love, but now that I know love, I now know how I'm supposed to love. I'm supposed to love him so that I can love him. Love him so that I can love her. Love him so that I can love self. And loving him has brought me nothing but spiritual wealth. I'm talking about that righteous kind of love. The kind of love that just feels right, you gotta share kind of love. The kind of love that's hard to put into words, you can't compare kind of love. Some may call it that God-fear kind of love. The kind of love that reminds you that you don't ever have to bring up the rear kind of love. The kind of love that'll make a grown man change his mind about how he lives his life kind of love. The kind of love that'll teach a husband how to properly love his wife kind of love. The kind of love that'll save your soul on tonight kind of love. The kind of love that'll raise you up and allow you to take flight kind of love. The kind of love that'll have you singing and rejoicing in the midst of your storm kind of love. The kind of love that'll have people wonder why you're not broken and torn kind of love. The kind of love that assures you that you don't ever have to walk alone kind of love. The kind of love that you can call on without ever having to pick up that phone kind of love. The kind of love that'll make you laugh when the devil talks smack kind of love. The kind of love that said you were worth dying for, yeah, that kind of love. The kind of love that didn't think of himself kind of love. The kind of love that hung on that cross to show you where cometh your help kind of love. The kind of love that for you has fought every one of your battles kind of love. The kind of love when you can't find the words to just shout kind of love. The kind of love when they said you couldn't, he said you could kind of love. The kind of love that still loves even when we don't love like we should kind of love. The kind of love that won't ever abuse you kind of love. The kind of love that says all he wants to do is just use you kind of love. The kind of love that says you have the power to tell that mountain to get out of your way kind of love. The kind of love that can heal your body, all you've got to do is have faith kind of love. The kind of love that wants every woman to know her true worth kind of love. The kind of love that said you had a divine destiny before your mother even gave birth kind of love. I have fallen. I've fallen in love. Thought I knew love until I met love, but now that I know love, I now know how I'm supposed to love. Fallen in love. Thought I knew love until I met love, but now that I know love, I now know how I'm supposed to love. I have fallen. I've fallen in love. Thought I knew love until I met love, but now that I know love, I now know how I'm supposed to love. I have fallen. Thank you. The next piece I'm going to do is untitled, but the Lord gave it to me during a period when I was really excited about the calling of my life. And so, but one thing I learned through that experience is that sometimes people don't see a purpose